The powerful health benefits of dates include providing an energy boost, increasing iron in the body, and aiding digestion. Rich in various nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants, dates are popular throughout the world. These dried fruits are beneficial in treating various conditions due to their anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-tumor properties. What are dates? Dates are the sweet, chewy fruit of the date palm tree, Phoenix dactylifer. Dates have been the staple food of the Middle East for thousands of years. Muslims consider date palms and dates sacred, and throughout the religious fasting period of Ramadan, these dried fruits are a common ingredient in the diet. Each date is about 60 to 70% sugar and has a high amount of fiber, depending on the variety, which makes it ideal as a healthy energy booster. It is also high in iron and helps fight anemia. Dates are now popular all over the world and are used as a natural sweetener in smoothies, juices, nutrition bars, and baked products like cakes and muffins. You can buy also premium varieties that are stuffed with almonds or peanut butter and specialty products like date molasses, a sweet sticky syrup that can be drizzled on pancakes or porridge. Dates nutrition. According to USDA Food Data Central, dates are a good source of energy, fiber, sugar, and various vitamins and minerals. Essential minerals such as calcium, iron, phosphorus, sodium, potassium, magnesium, sulfur, and zinc can be found in them. Apart from the above-mentioned nutrients, they also contain important vitamins such as thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6, folate, vitamin A, and vitamin K. A 2008 review published in Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition Journal by Cornell researchers Chanyong Li and Mohammed Ali Al-Farsi suggests that over 15% of the daily requirement of essential minerals such as copper, potassium, magnesium, and selenium can be fulfilled by consuming 100 grams, or about 4 pitted dates per day. Health benefits. Let us look at some of the key benefits of dates in detail below. Good source of energy. Dates are high in natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose. The high energy present in them can be attributed to this high sugar content. Many people around the world eat natural low-fat dates for a quick afternoon snack when they are feeling lethargic or sluggish to help bump up energy levels fast. Often when you exercise in a gym, outside or even on a stretching machine at home, you feel exhausted. A study published in the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition suggests that dates rich in essential nutrients may help you regain your energy immediately. People who follow Islam and observe fasting break their fast by eating them along with water. This also helps avoid overeating of food once the fast is over. May boost brain health, such as anthocyanins, ferulic acid, protocatechoic acid, and caffeic acid. The presence of these polyphenolic compounds could potentially help slow the progression of Alzheimer's disease and dementia. May help relieve constipation. In traditional Tunisian medicine, dates are used for treating constipation. According to research on the effects of dietary fiber, the foods that are rich in fiber are essential for promoting healthy bowel movements and ensuring the comfortable passage of food through the intestinal tract. A 2005 study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry also suggests that these dried fruits have high levels of dietary fiber and insoluble fiber, in particular. The insoluble fiber found in dates promotes healthy digestion by bulking up the stool and may also aid in relieving the symptoms of constipation. How to use: start by soaking dates in water overnight to help them soften up. Next, add soaked dates and a bit of soaking liquid to a food processor and blend to make a thick, fiber-rich date paste. Relief from intestinal disorders. Research suggests dates contain insoluble and soluble fibers, as well as many beneficial amino acids which can stimulate the digestion of food and ensure quick passage through the gastrointestinal tract. According to a review published in the Journal of Nutrition Reviews, the fiber may also aid in the treatment of conditions like gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, diverticulitis, and hemorrhoids. Give relief from anemia. Dates are a good source of many nutrients, including iron. A deficiency of iron can contribute to anemia, a condition characterized by fatigue, dizziness, brittle nails, and shortness of breath. Fortunately, increasing your intake of iron-rich foods such as dates could help provide relief from anemia symptoms. However, there is currently a lack of research evaluating their direct role in the treatment of anemia.